In primetime news this evening, no new taxes. The announcement from the finance minister as he opens the budget debate. We have extensive coverage. PEP delay. Primary exit profile exam pushed back yet again. And good job. Police commissioner commends arresting officers for their professionalism.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. We have sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we are asking, what are your concerns about Jamaica moving to becoming a fully digital society? You can keep those comments coming, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. The Primetime News package returns right after this break.